So this video is for people who actually think that EU Core is not actually what it is, or rather they've come across EU Core one way or the other, maybe on Instagram, or you're even in our channel, right? And then you've seen results like this, you've seen profits, you've seen withdrawals like this, and you'll be like, no, this is too good to be true. Like the numbers don't really add up. Yeah, I get your point. Actually, if I were in your shoe, I'll probably think the same as well, but it's different. Right? So EU Core is incredible, and I'm going to show you the reason why EU Core is what it is. Alright guys, so in this video, right, we're going to jump into the system, and I'm going to show you a live account trading live on an MT4 on the system with EU Core, right? And also I'm going to be jumping into my FX book and show you a couple of accounts. You're going to see every review live and direct, guys. So you're going to see, you know, the drawdowns, the kind of profit, the reason why every day I'm showing you guys profits. This is all going to be in this video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't go anywhere. Let's go. So guys, we are in the chart right now, and if you have EU Core installed on your system, this is what it's going to look like, right? So we've got two charts right here, Euro USD running live, and you can see EU Core right here with a smiley face pop up. Yep, that's we are running, and you can see that it is a real account right here. This is not a demo kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Yep. So all right guys, so right here you can see all of this minus. These are all withdrawals, right? These are all withdrawals made on this account, and they are withdrawals on profit, because this account apparently started around 25k or so, and it's currently at $52 plus, probably about 60 or so, but a couple of withdrawals was made on this account. So let me just quickly show you the history. Yeah, this is the history. Let me pull this up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna have more to see. So you can see these are the account, this is the account, and these are the trades that have been running on this account, just like that, guys. You can see the consistency, guys. It's crazy, right? The consistency is absolutely beautiful, guys. This is EU Core. I mean, what more do you need from a robot that is giving you this kind of massive consistency, everyday profits, right? All right, so this is a 50k account currently, over 50k. Let me show you a smaller account, because you might say, oh, this is too big, right? You want to see something you can actually relate to. Fine, let me show you a smaller account. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is a much smaller account. This is like a 2k account, started around 1k, the top up was made, and currently is about $2,464, right? So this account, as you can see, is also another real account, and guys, it's an FBS account as usual, because this is the broker that we actually like to use when you're using EU Core. You can use any broker of your choice, but you know, this is the most preferred broker for us, right? So this is the account history also. You can see the trades that have been taken. Right now, what I want you to also notice here is that it is not all win, guys. No, you can see this is -$6, -$3, this is +9, +46. So there are losses, right? The bot does close trades in losses, probably the ones that hit stop loss, but it always overall closes the day in profit. That is the most important thing. These losses are bound to happen because the bot have to make recoveries, right? It hits a stop loss, it's gonna take another trade, open. It's a robot, it's an EA that works tirelessly for you every single day, guys. Just check this out. Look at the history. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful to behold. So now let's get into my FX book, and let me show you guys some more details, right? All right guys, so this is the account that we just saw a few minutes ago. That is the account with about 50k. Yep, this is it. So you can see the growth, right? Like, this is the growth chart. Look at how exponential it's just moving in a very, this is not a higher and higher low situation. This is just highs and highs. If you understand the chart, you understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah guys, look at it. It's so beautiful, right? So let's look at this total gain so far on this account. We've got about +52%, +63. Then I want you to look at this, right? So I told you guys this account has made over 24k, right? So that's to tell you that this account was about 20k plus, and it has made over $24,000 profit already. That's over 100%, guys, basically on this account. And let's look at the balance chart. Look at the balance chart right here. Look at how it's moving as well. Some of the withdrawals that were made, and then let's look at the profits as well. the profits chart, look at how it's growing every day, right? So when I tell you guys that we making profit every single day, this is what I actually mean, because you can see all the price points from here, the profit points, as it's increasing day by day, it's increasing, right? And then one of the most important thing that we like to look out for is the drawdown, right? The drawdown, as you can see here, we've got like 11%, but on this chart it's going to show you there's about 3.94%. so the drawdown is relatively low compared to what you would want to see on a 50k account, because this account just keeps going very, very conservatively. Now you could adjust your settings, you could make it more aggressive, but why do you need to make it a lot more aggressive while you can have peace of mind, guys? Making profit every day with peace of mind and still making mad money, right? So that is the beauty of it, right? So let me show you guys another account. Let's check this out. So this is another account that has made over 80%, as you can see. So look at it, the profit is about 4,400 on this account. The balance is currently at 8,000. And you can see the monthly, this is another super conservative settings, 25%, daily 0.77. Every day it's profit, right? Another drawdown on 11%, you can see, right? So look at the balance right here, the same thing, guys. Look at the profit chart, the same thing. It's just going up. It's that beautiful, guys. It's that beautiful. So you can see that EU Core is a game changer, guys. It is absolutely a game changer. There is no doubt about that we are actually making profit every single day, and that is what I keep talking about. The consistency, the fact that you can use this bot for a very long time. It doesn't matter the market conditions that you find yourself in, EU Core can handle itself. It is crazy good, right? Crazy good, right? You don't even need to, start keeping yourself up with. Now look at this. This was a withdrawal made on this account right here. That's why we have the sharp move to the downside, because the withdrawal was made, and then you see it continues going up from there. That is how it rolls with EU Core. Let's check one more account, just one more account quickly. So look at this account, another beautiful one, right? So this is a 186% gain on this account, right? Now this is a 2k account, $2,000, and you can see the profit that has been made on this account. Now we have $2,000, and I think it's about 1,000 plus, and then we have a total profit of $2,190 on this account. Look at the deposit, 1,700. Look at the withdrawals made on this account, total withdrawals 1,700, guys. When I say everyday profit, this is what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. Now 27, look at this, 26 July, go next, 27 July, 28, like, okay, weekend, then we'll go 31, right? Okay, let's go somewhere around here, just like that, 23, 24, we've got the 25, just like that, guys. If you understand what I'm saying, all these nudges that you're seeing, it goes up bit by bit. That is everyday profit piling up. It's piling up profit every single day. Now this is what I mean by everyday profits, guys. You can't even beat that. You can't. This is EU Core, guys. Wonderful stuff. The power of EU Core is absolutely amazing. My team is winning. We're eating profits every single day, guys. You cannot see. Show me a bot that is, this powerful, and I'll show you EU Core, because we are actually changing the game. We're changing the narrative with EU Core, and it's an absolute game changer. So you got to be part of this. You got to be part of the family and start making consistent profits like this. All right, guys, so this is what I have been talking about, right? So EU Core is actually very incredible. We can see that the consistency is there. You can see that this is a bot that you can actually be using for a long period of time, guys. If you just like being conservative, if you want to go aggressive, fine. If you want to go conservative, it all depends on your risk appetite, right? So this is it. And if you want to get this robot, you know what to do. Just hit the link in the description, join our Telegram channel. You can talk direct with me or any of my team members, and we'll get it connected on your account ASAP. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, guys. Come on, just hit the like button, and also share your thoughts. If you have been using EU Core, tell us how the experience has been so far, how amazing it has been for you, or if you're having any problem, you can just hit the comment section. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to do that. Without anything, come on, guys, show some love. Bye, see you in the next video.